Do you have one of these new style fuel cans like this with no vent on the back of it? Does this thing piss you off as much as it pisses me off? Wow, this is frustrating. I'm trying to fill my car, my truck up, or my riding lawnmower, anything with a big fuel tank in it. This thing is heavy. It's 5 gallons of fuel, and you're holding it like this, and it's just trickling out. And you're like, come on, I can't hold this for much longer. It takes forever to fill a tank up. Well, I also got this old school fuel can right here that does have the vent on the back. This works way better. Today I'm going to show you a safe, fast, easy way to make this fuel can work just as good as this one. Hey everybody, welcome back to Steve Small Engine Saloon again. As usual, there's my website address right there. I think you're going to like it, stevesmallenginesaloon.com. Check that out when you get a chance. I know what some of you guys are saying already. You're saying just drill a hole in the back of that thing and the problem's solved. Well, you're on the right track right there, but that's not really safe to do. You're going to take that, you drill a hole in the back of it, you go to the fuel station, you fill it up with fuel, and then you're driving home with it in the back of your vehicle. Every corner you hit, every bump you hit, you got gas squirting out of that hole. It's not that safe. I just bought a 5-pack of these things right here today. Cost me like $5. These are like $1 each. They are made for doing exactly what we're doing, but to do it more safely, where they don't leak and you can actually close them and open them. I have a link in my description of this video where I got these things from. If you want to check it out, right underneath this video, there's a description with a link in it. All you have to do is drill a 1/2 inch hole in the back of the gas can. You want to put it up on the highest part and near the back as best as you can. So I'm going to put it right through on the handle on this one because I think that's where it should be. But you know what? 1/2 inch hole. You see this little seam right here? It's a welded seam where I want to put that hole through. 1/2 inch drill bit is a pretty big drill bit, and I'm kind of leery, to be honest with you, on just running that through first. It might split that seam apart or something like that. I don't want that to happen. So what I'm going to do is step it up. I'm going to start with a 1/4 inch drill bit. 1/4 inch, and just do a kind of a pilot hole through there. Let's try that out. Easy. Pulled all those chips right out. You might get the odd chip in there, to be honest with you, but yeah, that's what fuel filters are for on your vehicles and your small engine equipment. I don't think you're going to get that much stuff in there. We're going to go up to a 3/8 now. Not quite at 1/2 inch. Let's do a 3/8. Do that now. Easy. Pulled all those chips right back out again. Now we go right up to the 1/2 inch one. That's where it should be, 1/2 inch. That worked absolutely perfectly. Now what do? Easy. We take that little piece right there. I don't think it really matters what way you put that because this is just a little closer on here to keep it from spilling when you're transporting. Put that right in there and push it in. Let's see what happens. That snapped in nice. That really snapped in. I actually heard a little click. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. That's tight in there. I'm going to close it. There is some fuel in this. Let's see if it leaks. There's about 1 liter of fuel in here. It's not leaking at all. That worked absolutely perfectly. That was so easy to do. 5-gallon jerry can right in the handle. 2-gallon jerry can right in the handle. 1-gallon jerry can, the handle is pretty small on there. I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not. So as you can see, I put that one just in the flat spot right there. It worked just as good. No leaks on any of these things. Now they're all going to work just as good as the old school fuel can. I love this product. Well, that was ridiculously easy to do and cheap, safe, fast. I just fixed 3 fuel cans right here for $3. Oh, and a half a can of beer. Got to throw that in there too, right? This was a half a beer job. That's how quick and easy this was. Guys, I'd sure appreciate it if you give me that thumbs up button, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, all that stuff. And oh, by the way, I think you're going to like this video right here. Click on that one next. Till the next time, Steve out.